everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a really quick tutorial showing you how to do a magic ring or a magic circle. They're called different things, but it's mainly a magic ring or a magic circle. So you put your tail end of your yarn across your palm, and then you're going to wrap the yarn around the first two fingers, cross it over to make an X shape on your two fingers, hold on to it with your thumb, and then turn and just pull it along and hook it around that third finger there, and then put your little finger close to it so that you're holding on to it. And then you can just slip that back into where your thumb is, so it's nice and taut, so it looks like that on your hand. And then you hook, go underneath, grab that piece there, pull it back, and then start to turn, grab it, stand it upright, your hook, and then so you've got hold of it, that yarn, and then twist it so you've got hold of it there. Twist it clockwise so it's back down to the bottom there, and then you want to pick up that yarn there. So when you've got the both on, hold on to it with your finger, let go. So take your fingers out, put your yarn in the usual place, where however you like to hold it. Thumb, index finger, hold on to it, and then just pull it through that stitch, and that's your magic ring. And then you would work all your stitches. You just pull the tail so it's, and you can see it's moving about a bit. So then you'd work your stitches into this big space here, and then you'd pull it closed. So I'll do that again because it is a bit fiddly, but it's really worth investing that time trying to do it. There are a lot of patterns out there that do require a magic ring, so it's worth doing it. So tail end across your palm, hold on to it with your thumb, first two fingers, make an X, thumb, turn, round that finger, close your hand, pull it back round under your thumb. That's the easy bit. Hook underneath the first line, grab it, start to turn it so that you've got hold of it, this one here, turn, and then go round in a clockwise position, in a clockwise movement. Grab the same line that you've grabbed before, make sure you've got it round your hook, hold on to it with your index finger of your right hand, pull your fingers out and let go, get hold of your yarn as you would normally, thumb and fourth and index finger holding on to this bit now, so that you can let go of that and you can just pull it through that loop, and there's your magic circle. And then just pull that tail end out of the way so you can clearly see you've got the circle. Okay, let's do it one more time. Yarn across your palm, tail end across your palm, hold on to it with your thumb, make a cross, thumb, turn your hands, hold on to it with your little finger, and then bring this bit back under your thumb so that you can let go and you've got hold of it. Insert your hook. You want to grab this second line, turn it clockwise, grab it again, that same line, hold on to it with your index finger, grab the rest of it with your thumb and finger on this hand, and then just pull it through the loop, and then just move the tail out of the way, and there it is. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.